Hello again. So it's time to explain the settings for the administrator level and the vendor level. So in the administrator, as I understand from this documentation, admin can set that the delivery by seller or not. Okay, so delivery by seller is yes or no, and admin can set up a broadcast time limit for its default in 10 minutes. I can increase or decrease it. I have set it 15 minutes. And the settings you described here, vendor deliveries allowed by admin. As we developed our system on top of WCFM plugin, which is a multi-vendor WordPress plugin, and so that I implemented the setting with that. Okay, so in this setting, admin can specifically allow or disallow the vendors or multiple vendors to manage delivery stuffs or manage the delivery. So let me select and unselect one and just save it. So all value are set up. Okay, and in the vendor screen, on the settings page, you can see that the vendor has the setting order deliveries will managed by me, that indicate this setting, order deliveries managed by me. So the vendor will have an option to manage the delivery or not. The interesting thing here, if admin set the delivery by seller no and save it, then the vendor will not able to change the setting. Okay, the setting is disabled, and delivery management is disabled by admin for all vendors. And this is the setting, and the vendor also have the delivery notification broadcast time limit, which is 5 minutes. You see in my last video that the availability time or broadcast time limit is counted from 5 minutes. So this is the case. And if the settings something like that, this, so what happened, let me show you the system. So in this case, when delivery by seller is disabled or not allowed, in that case the administrator should have delivery boys. Okay, so I need to add delivery boys. So go to the delivery boys, and here I need to tell about the system process. So admin can add new delivery boy and put the username. I will put something like gone delivery boy person 3, and provide a dummy email address test.com. and the thing is that here, when our administrator is intent to add a new delivery boy, in this case he should not select a vendor, because if the admin select a vendor, the delivery boy will go under the specific vendor, and if in no vendor are selected, then the delivery boy will be under the administrator. So I do not choose any store or any vendor and then submit. Okay, so in the delivery boys, I have the delivery boy, ground delivery person 3. Remember that which delivery boy has no store assigned, then the delivery boy is under the administrator. Okay, so let me log in with this delivery boy. Okay, I'm logged in with the delivery person 3, which is under the administrator, and in our configuration for the administrator, the settings is delivery by seller is no. So in this case, let's see what happened if someone make an order. So in this case, again I go to the shop page, then select the vendor and add to cart, go to the checkout page. I have those dummy data. Just select the time and date and put the location, and finally place the order. In this case, you will see that new order notification is coming through the administrator and the delivery and the vendor has no notification and no delivery requests at all. So the pending request is empty. But in the administrator level, if I go to the deliveries, and you see the delivery notification is coming to the administrator, and in our delivery boy, which is delivery person 3, he has also the delivery request because he is under the administrator, and others delivery boy which are under in vendor, they do not have the notification because the delivery is currently managed by the administrator. Okay, so that's the case, and the action settings and availability, you can see the availability counted from 15 minutes because the broadcast time limit is set up 15 minutes here, and after 15 minutes the delivery notification will be ended, and if no one accepted the delivery notification, then the delivery request go to the vendor, in that case, if the settings are enabled for vendor to manage the delivery, and if the settings are set up for delivery by seller is not managed by vendor, then the request will go to the administrator. So let me reduce the broadcast time limit and see the effect about the if no one accept the delivery request, what happened in that case. So I just reduced it with 3 minutes. So and go to the delivery boy screen, and you see nothing here because we manually set that broadcast time limit and the time limit is exceeded. We have to wait for 1 minute because every minute the system scheduled task is checking for pending and accepted delivery requests. So go to the deliveries and you see here the pending list of the administrator level logged in. So here the status is changed to no one accepted. Before it was pending, and he has now the button to delivered or not, because the delivery is now assigned to the administrator. In this case, if the vendor was responsible for the delivery, then this request will go to the vendor. So finally the administrator now can take the action to deliver, but the delivery person have no notification or no delivery request pending or need to deliver. So that's it. I hope that makes sense. I request you to give some time to play with that the notification system, and all information server to client is real time. So when something is happened, like any new order and any acceptance or rejection will update real time for all of the vendors and administrators and delivery staffs. And and the system I have designed with especially the notification system I have designed with APIs. So when you develop your mobile application, so I can provide the API to the mobile application developer, so that then he can easily implement it. So we do not have to worry about the mobile development. All the things are happening with APIs, so we can implement it easily with mobile. So that's it. I think I touched all the requirements. I have one requirement still pending, that is the nearest delivery boy stuff. So I will discuss with you about this later. So thanks for watching, and let me know your thought about the implementation. Thank you.